What's up, guys? Welcome back to another in-depth car specs. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I do have a flat tire. My valve slim's been leaking a lot. I don't know why, but we'll talk about that at the end of the video. So yeah, so what you guys came for today? Today we're gonna be installing these little muffler, I would say baffles for the invidia N1. These came with it. And we're going to be installing them today just to see how it is, how it sounds. I had them there and I've been kind of intrigued on how much of a difference it's going to make. So we're going to install these and yeah, let's get to it. A thing that I noticed as well is I do have like 2 holes, and I think that you could adjust how far you want that baffle to shoot out or in, which is a pretty neat feature, I would say. As you guys can see, look at the restriction on that. This is probably like an 1 inch or 2 inch hole, so it goes from a 3 to all the way to a 1.5 or 2. I don't know, I will have to measure it. And as you guys can see, I don't have a straight edge, so I'm just working what I got. It's about an inch and a half or so. And as you guys can see, we got them both installed. They basically look like 2 machine guns, tips or whatever, but they are basically screws that are on the bottom. Just 1 screw, and then you just put it in and that's it. Now let's turn it on. See how she sounds. And this is how it sounds inside the cabin. Not a big difference. I mean, the windows down. Not a big difference. So the car sounds a little bit more tamed, I would say, and then the HKS, you can definitely hear it more. So I'm pretty sure for a field trip it would be nice. For sure. Anyways, but that is what we have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. As you guys can see, we got some Scat Packs, Aston Martins, and a Porsche back there at the gym. But anyways, take care, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Please like, subscribe, and until next time, peace, guys.
She said she need that.